So guys, following from previous videos, obviously I got permission to knock this wall down, build it straight and knock this bit of the wall down, but in order to do that these bushes need to go, so let's get them gone. So we're moving along nicely. Just came across this bush, is absolutely dead, something living in it, pure fire hazard. Literally, it's just full of all this dusty stuff collected up by something. We're gonna rip this out, and then we have a good amount of space to get that wall down, this wall down, and then build up and then do some concrete here. So let's get this out. So Iron Man decided to come out and give me a hand. I'm almost done here. Just this bush now to cut down. This is all gone, as you can see, all gone. Cut down over there as well. I will do another day all the tops of this for the neighbour, just to keep it down nice and tidy. But yeah, that's most of it gone and in the big green bag. So I'm just going to cut all this up, get it in the bag, and then tidy up all the rest. Yeah, so that's it there. I just thought I'd throw that big lump on top. Gonna get it taken away, but someone no idea who's gonna take it, but I'll put a post up on Facebook just to get rid of it. So it's all clean down here. I'm just gonna rake the rest of the crap that I left on the ground away, and then tidy up and put all my stuff away, and then start planning cutting this, bringing it in down along here. So see the way the wall turns? I'm gonna get that wall to go straight, and I'm gonna knock the wall down to about here, all the way down. So then I have that much more room to fit cars out the back garden. It's going to be absolutely amazing to have that big of a gap opening. And then once that's done, I can build the door for it and then put a gate on it. So happy days. So yeah, plenty to do. Not loads of time to do it, but yeah, it's getting there. Had to organise chop saw off me mate, and then, not chop saw, con saw, because you wouldn't go through this with a chop saw. So I have to organise that. And then have to organise getting this wall done over to here, just to have it tidy for the neighbour. Get that done and all will be good. So let's move on to the next thing. So just a quick update on the back garden. I am shoveling all of the loose stuff that I did do from here all the way over here, getting it flat. I'm getting the wood in during the week to do the frame. I have to get the frame made. I have to get all of the likes of this that I just brought over, just flattened out around for the pad. So I have to get rebar, have to tie it all together, put it down, flatten all this out. Obviously then the rebar goes down. Do the frame before the rebar goes down as well. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it's really hot in Dublin, Costadale, Dublin. So I'm just trying to get this done while I have the nice weather. So updates in a few, just gonna get all this done and then we'll show you what's next. Oh lads, I'm sweating buckets. It's so warm out, man. That sun, it's literally, but we're almost done. I have most of it done over here, and then it's looking pretty good here as well. So I really need to get the frame up all around just to see how equal it is, but it's looking promising. Everyone's out cutting the grass because in Ireland we don't get much sun. As you can see, it's just belting over my shoulder there. But yeah, I'm gonna get this all done, and when I get the wood for the frame, we'll come back then. There's no point in boring you with me shoveling more stone. So see you when I get the wood for the frame and we'll get it all together. So my delivery didn't turn up today with everything that I ordered from TJ's, so I'm doing the neighbourly thing. I'm absolutely out of breath. Bollocks, this garden is back. Hello. It's very, you're grand, don't worry about it. Just out here cutting grass. Time to do some clean up of the old neighbour. So yeah, I didn't know she was out the back garden. She frightened the absolute shite out of me, but all done. Yap yap. But yeah, all done out this back garden. Looks nice and clean. It was really bad over there. You can see the height of the grass that's there. It's like up to here. So I just tidied it up for her because she can't do it herself. She's 83, just a little bit old. But yeah, hopefully delivery will be here tomorrow with I ordered rebar and all the wood for doing the frame. So yeah, come back when I have all that here. So yeah guys, delivery is scheduled for tomorrow. Aaron just gave me a buzz there. He's doing a valid on a BMW tomorrow and he wants to grab some of my Urban Shine. So I have some in a box in the back and we're going to go over to Aaron's now and we're going to have a look at the 300ZX because he has a good bit done on it. We haven't got updates on the 300 in a few weeks, good few weeks, so he has a lot of work done. So Let's go. Wheels, coilovers, all new suspension arms, all painted up nice and pretty. Wow, that looks incredible. I'd say he's real happy with that. Why he has that off I don't know, but we'll have a look this side. The wheel isn't on. Yeah, that looks so much better. All new bushes, all new arms, new coilovers, new wheel bearings, new bushes, brand new bushes, anti-roll bar bushes. Looks really good, nice and tidy. Let's have a look at the back. So much better. Yeah, he said he had a bit of a nightmare getting all this done. Found another little bit of rust, but it's cable tied together, so it's okay. It doesn't need to be welded. That cable tie is 5 brake horsepower more. Now he just has to replace this knuckle on the rear end for the 4-wheel steering because he actually can't find it, so he needs to get that. But yeah, it's looking fresh. Coilovers look decent. So yeah, he's moving along on it. Them wheels, I really do like them. He said he didn't really like them, but then when I seen the rear one, look at that dish. That's really nice. Looks really well. Still loads to do, but yeah, quick update. It's getting there. So that's a little update on the 300ZX. It's starting to look good. The wheels are lovely. He got them cheap and got new tyres put on them, and they really look well on the car. He wants to drop it down to see what they look like because they do stick out a bit on the back, but I know they're heavy on the back, so when it goes down the camber might pull them in at the top a bit. He is talking about putting a wide arch kit on it and spraying the car a different colour, so make sure you stick along to see that process. So yeah, tomorrow my delivery is coming in the morning and we'll pick up from then. See you soon.